Okay guys, welcome again on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see 5 exercises to engage with upper body. Okay, from this to this. So upper body, we try to mean arms, chest and the back. Okay, we are going to start with the simple warm-up and then we go into our exercises. Okay, our simple warm-up, we are going to do arm circles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now that's a warm-up. Let's do a full body warm-up. We do 10 jumping jacks to activate our entire body. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's a warm-up. Okay? Now, what we're gonna do right now, we are going to start with a baby push-up. We are going to make 20 reps, 10 reps, don't 20. Okay? Baby push-up, it means go down like this. Okay, I think I'm more visible when I'm this way. It's a baby push-up. Let me try to. Yeah. Okay, let's start with baby push-up. We are going to make 10 because since we are just beginners. Lock your legs behind, put your hands in the same line, go down and then push yourself up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are 10 reps for baby push-up. Okay? Now the next exercise, because we are doing 5 exercises, you can do more 10 reps if you can manage to do that. If you cannot manage, go with 10. Okay? So the next exercise, we are going to slip down, entire body down. Okay, you kill up this way and then you push yourself up. Okay, let's go 10 times. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is exercise number 2. We did 10 repetition. You can go more 10 if it's okay with you. Okay? So exercise number 3, we are going to do shoulder taps. Okay? We are going to do also 10 repetitions. So we are trying to engage with our upper body. Let's do shoulder taps, 10 reps. Make your body straight in this movement. Then tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are still doing few reps because we have to balance with those people who are just beginning. Okay, but for the next day, day 2, day 3, day 4, we're going to make more sets, more reps. Okay, those are 10 shoulder tap. Exercise number 4, we are going to do arm reaches. Okay, arm reaches again on plank position. elbow plank. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are arm reaches, okay? Also 10 reps. Don't forget, like this video, comment where are you watching from, what is your goal, what type of exercise do you want me to do the next video, okay? Which part of your body do you want really to engage? I will do that. Next exercise, we're going to do arm walk, okay? Arm walk. Oh, I don't want to fall down. Okay, arm walk. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so those are the basic 5 exercises for the beginners to engage with the upper body, your arms, your chest, and your back. Okay, now make sure you like the video. 2, you can share to your friend. Put down the comment where you're watching from, what type of exercise do you really want to do, you want to see. I will do that. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Let's get fit together at home. Okay, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.